and share Nyami Aduma game against Austria and Germany 27th and then 30th no young players Edomo and so Kakobonti mo amoshe live awo YouTube and Sha TV no ye the squad da Otuado afre o de kobosa 2 games no and so there are 3 goalkeepers and na ofremo Lawrence Atisegi Benjamin Asari of Hasselhoek and Joseph Anan and the 3 goalkeepers are coach Otuado and from so coach the ama Ghana co defense on ma Patrick and Fifer Abrante Ayala no your man club da
yam friend da
sir
yeah I think yeah no nationality switch we no and Oprai
okay
but he has always been on the radar of Otuado
because me kai
okay
one of our games Kumasi
he wasn't part
okay because no pay me who debutants no Fiver or Badan I ain't within a car debutants no okay there's in switch in the crab bar 2022
yeah buy chapa okay prep okay
it's a damn start I ran to Nanya call up on also Babishim Derek Lucasen also a new air boy and also adjoining a team from Paphos as we defender and now also adjoining a team of course Derek Cohen the Abada Jerome Poku Kaibrianchi Kojo upon Epepra OJC Nis also Abana Jonas Ajete Abranton also Enya air call up Marvin Air Senaya also Oze also a new players and a debutants also no Johnny a team no Alexander Jiku and a Gideon Mensa amo and a complete a defense no comment for that Thomas Partey ono etimi enya collab Elisha Owusu Ibrahim Sulemana and Kosisibu also complete MFO Coben na Brendan Thomas Asante Jordan Ayu sorry Afi Prince Adu and Christopher Babonsu Abdul Fattah Isaku Enake Williams, Antoine Semenyo, Kamal Din Sulemana, and Daniel Ejay, and also Eka ASR, Emranti Afi, and Omonia Kola Bambabo, Aya Black Stars, and also AB from Turkey, and also Besiakai at the Ama and the Black Stars of Ghana. Apart from South 4 players in there, Dina Olina, no Minano, and a club da, on Besiakai at the Ama and the Black Stars of Ghana. Mr. Sam from Few with 26 players are Otuado Afra, Dekushia, Austria, and Germany. No?
I think the squad may a little bit messy for me. 6 centre backs, 6 defenders in general. For me, my name is a centre backs na prepare no we say Salisu and Jiku's Ombo at the level where we were expecting to be, there's an opportunity for Otuado to look at certain players closely and probably move on from them there. But minimum squad that caused this many CBs because Patrick Fifer, Jerome Opoku, Calibre scored as part of the defenders. Maybe because or a dynamic Obetimabo midfield Obetimabo Alexander Jikuya back, MO team Gideon Mensah. In all of them, there are just a lot more of them because you kind of several times one of your biggest problems going into this World Cup is that you need proper number 10. So this probably should have been a time where we invite a number 10 from somewhere to look at him closely and then say that okay fine, then this number 10 is who replaces the creative, especially in the absence of Obita Mohamed Kudus also from the squad. Then that player now begins to build on a resume for the Black Stars in the long term. This many centre backs are a little worrying for me. Again, also a midfield runner, we don't have a proper creative 8. Partey is a 6 at best. He's not a creative number 8. Elisha Owusu, not even ball-sided 6 or an off-the-ball 6. Quote and unquote Ebubundia. Ibrahim Sulemana, more progressive side, but also not a creative 8. Because he's same in the same bracket as Elisha Owusu. So, team Neafreno just more defenders and attackers. Right? Okoye attack on my referee banning Thomas Asante, Jordan Ayew, Prince Edu, Christopher Babonsu, Abdul Fattah Ishaku, Inaki Williams, Antoine Semenyo, Kamal Ding Sulemana, and of course Daniel Eji. A lot of wingers. Oh, your team name, of course, trying to look for number 9, but still, we just don't have that creative part. Ghana for will break. I said Antoine Semenyo for Manchester City form name. I said it several times that you won't get Antoine Semenyo giving him what Pep gives him, or even Andoni Areola, because over there the team creates for him. He's a box presence. You're born Antoine Semenyo, and with this starting line, we're starting Antoine Semenyo. That's probably how we'll play. On the outlet for us for progression, because we don't have a ball carrier, we don't have a dribbler, we don't have somebody that becomes a creative 8 or 10. It's your ball long to Antoine Semenyo to either receive the ball in the channels or centrally and wait for the others to come. More like half and puff. It's your Nuna, and not just the only problem. But again, to hold brief for Tuado, maybe because I hear preparatory. This is a friendly game. So let us take the chance to look at other players, new players closely, and then we can make a proper justification on them as to where we go from here. The goalkeepers of Lawrence Atizigi, Benjamin Asari, and Joseph Hernandez there. The goalkeeping issue, I've said it several times. There are a lot of things that they judge goalkeeper, not just the data. In fact, in the modern day, data alone ain't stand. Data is not a standalone to make any analysis of anything. Sometimes you need to look beyond data. And it's in a time you far Benjamin Asari better you pull more against Chad or Accra Sports Stadium. I said clearly, I didn't have a problem with Benjamin Asari being imposed because even the fans staying behind him and they don't know, psychologically can be a boost for him, and it's important. Game. So many problem. But when you look at the long-term effects of the Black Stars, I think you should be looking at also the quality of Obitise Lawrence Atizigi based on what he gives the team. The conversation with the team, the organizational ability with them, they are all very important. The fact that we are keeping the same crop of goalkeepers coming in and looking at them for me is good. My biggest issue is just down to too much proliferation of centre backs, brainy defenders, and you're solving a main issue going into the World Cup. Does it mean see a World Cup able to lose as a 10 and now? We see a born most of the times there in the absence of Andre. It has not been productive. Maybe the best 10 that we've had in the long time. You have born essentially on the corner yet out and out 10. Maybe could you some more, but without him, Ashimeru, maybe because of
Ashimeru, because it looks like your midfield on there. Ubo be carry ball in there as Ashimeru.
But the truth of the matter is that Chimenu is not fit and consistent enough.
Or no ins
and outs of the Black Stars in the Dawson.
Kanye is the best.
Exactly.
When it comes to carry ball.
It could be Xavier Kofi as an attacking 8 year. Top level.
Yeah.
Maybe you should be able to get him in. I don't know. Maybe at the next international, because we'll have another international break, right?
Yeah, Bubble Worlds.
Exactly.
And in Mexico.
Before the World Cup.
Yeah, before the World Cup.
Maybe by then they would have firmed up on a few other people.
Okay.
Or your Black Stars. But one of the main players I'm willing to look at Derek Con. Derek Con, another style of play. Natural fullback that keeps the width. No bet keep you waiting when you number 11, 9, 7, as an inside 10. Maybe that's the other way the Otuado wants to play. Yeah, sure, you
Abraham Kakra na area. Yema the don remember.
You say squad be here. What you do is to try and make sense of the squad. But many can raise me other peripheral issues and sana mabeka squad in Ankasa hon asem. Which my first talking point say I think sir in the next Congress at GFF for the one of majority members, which is the clubs, there was a ultimate table an agenda not in come at Congress to have a quota of the Ghana League into the Black Stars.
Simon.
Yes. It is not refreshing at all. See a new Black Star squad and there's no full player from our local leagues. It doesn't speak well of our football.
Is it not a matter of saying G2 league, no? If you standard no form.
I don't have a problem with that. But it doesn't give you good feeling. Say a name Black Stars 26-man squad there is no harmful player out of in domestic Ghana coming. It's not good. It's not good at all. In speaking well of our local football, squad, so a bit someone no, it's as if they are mobile Ghana, and that we only concentrate on Omo Siakama on it. Na ya home we fit near former. No. Strategically, for marketing purposes, for BBR, which there must be that resolution at Congress. I don't know the number, but say if overall we are even two, a quarter of two, say there is no way you will call Blasters ever. Are two of the players, one must be an alpha player, must come from our league. It must be a strategic decision from the Ghana Football Association. I am not making argument of merit now. I am talking purely out of strategic, because which there is no developed football nation in creating a link between the domestic football and the national team. Immediately,
I said, how? Nigerian League in yes, there must be a presence of domestic football in your national team. No matter how low it is, there must be someone there to represent the league. And the next Congress, I expect one of the majority members, which is the club, to table this. Let me discuss it. They will find easy to make that decision. Until that decision is made, Otuado will always do his call up. Any Otuado, the office of the head coach of the Blasters, will always make his call up based on merit. Why the new government? Why the beginning of the government? Say, Oya will speak to data, which we will have a problem getting the local players into the Blasters. Something must force his hand, and that will be a policy of a quota system. It is there in South America. No matter how flamboyant a Brazilian players are outside Brazil, they will never make a call up without a player from the Brazilian league. Now, someone has communicated to the world about the domestic league. National team. Sure. The only other matter, I suspect, as I said before, is because in the 2 games, we are going to use it to prep our strategy against Croatia and England, which I suspect are never coming back. That is the reason why we have a lot of center half everything. But the only challenge, and I say, the moment we play three-back, which I remember wing backs, then I will say sacrifices some of our wingers. Enti Bonsuba, Ishaku, Kamadi, Sulemana. A lot of the wingers that Yafo will team. See, I want to back with wing backs. We say, I'm feeling where the wing will team. And I'll be looking at how Otuado Bay. Then the last one for a neck, send a bit to my toss later. And he said, which what kind of movie will be about Blasters? We hear they will line up anymore. But say, I am crazy and Rebecca. Say, Blasters in Benifo. So say you know Montana, which the big boom and I'm kidding about the trying if not these games. Into Augustine Watchimone, player Bisa Frank J. Junior Moa, Omoya there in that role, our more clubs. I'm waiting like a young form, near more or players be still no helm. Probably be a game against Wales and Mexico, which that bang out of home. I call 4 games. To the Mundial. About 2 we are cut to. I was start to show this from CCA. Okay. But I think so. Last command this week, Bediana, yet you need the dawn. Enter a common so. Because I say,